Car emergency jump starters are essential in winter, preventing battery failures, ensuring reliable starts, and avoiding dangerous roadside delays in freezing temperatures. Today's video is about top 5 best car emergency jump starters for winter that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at UTRAI jump starter with air compressor. The UTRAI JS40 is an impressively versatile jump starter that delivers serious peace of mind for drivers. With a massive 6000 A peak current, it confidently handles gasoline vehicles and even large diesel engines, making it suitable for cars, SUVs, and pickups alike. The smart clamps and forced start feature add an extra layer of reliability in stressful roadside situations. What truly sets this unit apart is its built-in 150 psi air pump. Inflation is fast, accurate, and convenient thanks to real-time pressure monitoring and automatic shutoff. The multiple preset modes simplify everything from car tires to bicycles and sports balls, while the blower mode is a surprisingly useful bonus. As a power bank, the PD30W fast charging support is excellent for modern devices, charging phones and tablets quickly. Safety protections are comprehensive, and the emergency LED lighting is practical for night use. Overall, it's a powerful, all-in-one emergency tool worth keeping in any vehicle. Now our second product is Auxbeam jump starter with air compressor. This 3000 A jump starter feels like a true roadside essential rather than just another car gadget. It easily handles dead batteries for up to 6.0L gas and 3.0L diesel engines, delivering quick, confident starts when you need them most. The ability to perform multiple jumps per charge makes it practical for long-term use, while the wide operating temperature range adds real-world reliability. The integrated 150 psi air compressor is a standout feature. Inflation is noticeably fast, and the auto-stop function removes guesswork, helping prevent overfilling. Extra touches like the cool-down reminder show thoughtful design for safety and durability. Safety certifications and multi-layer protection inspire confidence, especially for less experienced users. The rugged ABS housing feels sturdy yet remains surprisingly compact and lightweight. The bright 2.4-inch display is another highlight, staying readable even outdoors and clearly presenting battery and pressure data. Compact enough for a glove box yet powerful enough for emergencies, this 6-in-1 device combines jump starting, tire inflation, device charging, and emergency lighting into one highly practical tool for everyday drivers. Our third product is AstroAI Ultra Car Jump Starter. The AstroAI S8 Ultra stands out as a seriously capable jump starter built for real emergencies. With a formidable 4000 A peak current and strong discharge performance, it confidently revives all gas engines and even large diesel vehicles up to 12L. In testing scenarios, it feels powerful and reassuring, even when dealing with heavily drained batteries. Ease of use is one of its strongest advantages. The smart jumper cables and automatic voltage detection remove much of the guesswork. For moderately low batteries, it works almost instantly, while the boost button provides a simple solution for deeply discharged ones. This makes it friendly for both beginners and experienced drivers. Safety and durability are equally impressive. The comprehensive protection system, along with IP65 water and dust resistance, gives confidence in unpredictable roadside conditions. Its drop-proof construction further reinforces its reliability. Beyond jump starting, the multiple charging ports add practical value for powering phones or other devices. The integrated flashlight with multiple modes is another thoughtful touch. Overall, the S8 Ultra is a dependable, well-designed emergency companion worth keeping in any vehicle. Now number 4, VTOMAN Jump Starter with Air Compressor. The VTOMAN X7 delivers impressive performance for drivers who want serious power and versatility in one device. With a massive 4250 A peak current, it easily handles heavy-duty vehicles like pickups, trucks, and SUVs, while remaining perfectly suitable for standard 12V cars. The ability to perform multiple starts per charge is a major advantage, and the boost function provides extra reassurance for deeply discharged batteries. A standout feature is the intelligent tire inflator. The large 5.1-inch display makes operation refreshingly simple, showing battery status, modes, and real-time tire pressure at a glance. Inflation is fast, accurate, and convenient, with multiple pressure units supported and reliable gauge precision. safety and durability are equally strong. The upgraded smart chip ensures stable operation across extreme temperatures, while the comprehensive protection system adds confidence for everyday users. The honeycomb heat dissipation design is a thoughtful touch, helping improve both safety and longevity. Beyond jump-starting, the X7 works as a power bank, fast Type-C charger, tire inflator, and bright LED light. Overall, it's a compact yet highly capable roadside companion that offers excellent value and practicality. And our last choice is Halo Bolt Air Portable Car Battery Jump Starter. The Halo Bolt Air is a practical all-in-one solution designed for drivers who value convenience and preparedness. Compact yet capable, it confidently jump-starts full-sized cars and SUVs, making it a reassuring companion for unexpected battery failures. Everything needed for a quick recovery is included, which removes stress during roadside emergencies. The built-in air compressor is one of its most useful features. With multiple interchangeable nozzles, it easily handles everyday inflation tasks, from vehicle tires to sports equipment and air mattresses. The adjustable pressure setting is particularly helpful, allowing precise inflation without constant monitoring or guesswork. Another highlight is the integrated LED floodlight. Whether you're dealing with a flat tire at night or searching for items inside your vehicle, the bright illumination proves genuinely handy rather than just a gimmick. Beyond emergency use, the device doubles as a USB power bank, adding everyday value for charging phones and small electronics. Overall, the Halo Bolt Air strikes a strong balance between portability, functionality, and reliability, making it a smart addition to any car emergency kit. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.